Hi, in this lecture we're going to look at how we sort data in Microsoft Excel. Now, sorting in Microsoft Excel is a critical feature. Data is really given in the order it needs to be used. So what can you sort by? Well, you can sort by letters, numbers, colours. You can also sort by more than one column. Now, a quick thing to note before we dive in is that you may have noticed that on your home ribbon you have this option here, sort and filter. Well, if you click on this, you actually have two options before the third option of custom sort. Now, I don't recommend you use these two options to do your Excel work. The reason being is because it can get a bit cumbersome sometimes because Excel will always sort by the first column you select. Now, in some cases, that might not be what you want, and it can lead to problems down the line because it may not sort the data in the way that you intended. So my recommendation is stay away from these two options and just stick to the third option, custom sort, which is what we're going to use for all our examples going forward. Okay, so in all our examples, we've got the same table of data. Now this table of data basically just shows for our different products, the month that they've been purchased in, the quantity, the cost per item, and the total cost. So we're basically going to use this table and use it to demonstrate how to sort by text, numbers, cell color, and font color. Okay, so let's get started. Right, sorting by text. So let's do the following tasks. We've got our table of data here. Let's sort the table in alphabetical ascending order by product. Now a quick note that Excel uses the terms A to Z and Z to A. So for alphabetical order, in ascending order, we would choose A to Z, and for descending order, we would choose Z to A. So that's just a quick note because when we jump into the menu, we'll get presented with this option. Okay, so the first thing you need to do when you're sorting your table is to select the whole table. So I'm going to select the whole table. Then you head on over to this option, sort and filter. When you click on it, you get three options. Now, as mentioned before, we're going to ignore these two top options and go for custom sort. Now we get this dialog box presented. Now, a quick thing to note, folks, is make sure this is ticked. My data has headers. And this basically means that you're telling Excel your table has headers, so don't sort the headers. Basically, just sort the first row of data all the way to the last row of data. So that's here to here, and ignore the header because we wouldn't want the header to be sorted, otherwise the table will just get completely mixed up. Okay, so we've got these buttons here. Now we're just going to ignore these for now and look at these three here: column, sort on, and order. Now this is real simple in Microsoft Excel to sort. So basically Excel is asking us, what do we sort by? Well, our original task said to sort by product, so we click the drop down, and as you can see, all of our columns are here. So we've got product, month of order, quantity, cost per item, and total cost. So we click here, product. Now Microsoft Excel is asking us what to sort on. So if we just click on the drop down, we've got values, cell color, font color, and cell icon. Now a quick thing to note here, folks, is that for this dialog box, values isn't just numbers, it can also be text. So we want to sort by text, so we select this option. Now we've got the order, A to Z and Z to A. Now as mentioned prior, we're interested in alphabetical ascending order, so that's A to Z. Okay, so just to read this from left to right, we're telling Excel, sort by product, sort on values, and make the order A to Z. Okay, so we've done that. And now, all we need to do is just press OK. There. You see that? Excel has sorted our table in alphabetical ascending order by product. Okay, now let's sort the table by order of month. Right. So, again, what we have to do is select our whole table, go to sort and filter, hit custom sort. So, sort by month of order, then sort on, again, we want to sort by values, and then order A to Z. Okay, so that's it, folks. Is it really it? What's the problem here? Well, we have sorted the table by order of month. So we've got April, August, then December, then February, then January, then July. So alphabetically, that is correct. We've got A, D, F. However, what's the problem here? Well, sometimes when people say sort the table by order of month, they might actually be referring to order of month in terms of calendar year. So we go January, February, March, April. So that's an issue. So how do we get around it? Because Excel only gave us the option of A to Z and Z to A. Well, there was a third option. So I'm just going to select my table again, go back in. Now under order, you'll notice we had custom list. So we're going to use this because this is how we can sort in terms of alphabetical order for calendar months, starting from January. This is how we can use this function, custom list. So we're going to use this option, custom list, because this will enable us to get our order in terms of calendar year. So we're not going to create a new list, but basically what this enables us to do is to specify an order entry. So if we had a different type of sort where it was a bit more customized, you could basically type it in here. In this case, Excel is smart enough to know that sorting by month in terms of calendar year is quite a common request. So it's actually given us the list already, which is here. See that? So now we're telling Excel sort by order month starting from January all the way to December, which if you think about it makes a bit more sense. So I'm going to press OK. And I'm going to press OK again. There. You see that? Excel has sorted our table in month order by calendar year. Now this makes much more sense than what we had previously. However, it's a common pitfall sometimes that people automatically assume that Excel will figure it out, but in this case, while I didn't figure it out initially, it does provide the option to use a custom list. So that's quite an essential tip to know, folks, that when you do sort by month, how to do it. Okay, so that concludes this lecture. We have covered how to sort by text. We have seen how we can sort the table in alphabetical ascending order. We've also seen how we can sort by month in alphabetical order and how to sort by month in calendar order as well. Okay, so in the next couple of lectures, we're going to cover how to sort by text, numbers, cell color, and font color. So thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture.